Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now. First, inspect the shirt and remove lint so transfers bond. Heat the press to 330 degrees F and set medium pressure. This temperature melts the adhesive evenly. Once ready, position the DTF film, clear carrier up, exactly where you want the print, and secure with heat-resistant tape so it won't shift. Press a 15-second test on a scrap fabric to confirm melt and release. This prevents ruined shirts. It's faster than guessing and saves materials. Once the first press and test look right, you'll perform the warm peel. Let the sheet cool for about 5 to 10 seconds so the ink stabilizes, then remove the carrier at a 45-degree angle to avoid ghosting. Make sure to cover the print with Teflon or parchment. Now press again at 300 degrees F for 10 to 12 seconds to fully cure the adhesive and lock ink into fibers. If edges lift, repress with light pressure. This step seals durability and wash resistance. You finish with a final cure and a quick quality check. For delicate fabrics, use cold peel. Wait until the shirt is completely cool before removing the carrier to prevent ink smudging. Let the garment rest 24 hours before washing. Test wash cold on a gentle cycle and skip bleach or high tumble heat. If prints look hazy, you likely underpressed. If edges lift, you had low pressure or incomplete cure. Repress targeted areas to fix, and document settings that produced best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.